With Fanpage Karma, you can publish posts on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube automatically. And you can plan and schedule posts for other networks and receive a notification when it's time to publish them. You can find the publisher under Publish. Here you have an overview of your current drafts, posts that are waiting for approval, next already scheduled posts, or declined posts. You can also view the posts in the calendar as a monthly, weekly, or daily view. Posts that are not scheduled yet can easily be dragged into the calendar. To create a new post, click on plus new post, give a name to the draft. No worries, this name will not show up in any posting on the network, it's just a working title. Then select the profiles you want to post on. For this example, I'll choose a Facebook and an Instagram profile. Now I can prepare the post for each network individually. There's a tab for each network. This is the Facebook draft, and you can just switch to the Instagram draft and prepare the two versions separately. First, let's add a Facebook caption and add an image, video, or GIF by uploading it or choosing from your library or from the web gallery. There you can just search and pick a nice picture and add it to the post. For Instagram, I just add the same caption, but here I'd like to add some hashtags because they're very important to gain more organic reach, and that's what the hashtag composer is for. You just have to suggest the first hashtag, and the composer will give you the most relevant hashtags connected to it. Now you can pick the hashtags manually or click on Choose Automatically to get the 30 most relevant hashtags with one click. Then you can add them to your post. Now we need a picture for Instagram as well. The picture I picked for Facebook automatically moved to the library. However, up here I can see that this is not the right format for Instagram. I can quickly change the format using the image editor. Click on Crop. And here you already see suggestions for the different networks. I'll pick Instagram post, maybe move it a bit. If you want, you can get creative and use a filter or add text to the picture. Maybe color it. Scale it. Then save it and add it to the post. You can even add tags to your Instagram post. Just type in the profile handle and save. Now the post needs a publishing date. Click up here and either choose to publish the post immediately on approval or set a specific date and time. For example, the 23rd, 6:30 p.m. When you're satisfied with your post, you can ask for approval. The post now moved to the Waiting for Approval column, visible for every team member. If you're working alone, you can just approve the post yourself by clicking on Approve Myself and then OK. Now your post is scheduled and will be published by Fanpage Karma automatically on the set date on Facebook and Instagram.